Hello bachon, let's see the question here. Calculate the OH minus concentration and the H3PO4 concentration of a solution prepared by dissolving 0.1 mole of Na3PO4 in sufficient water to make 1 liter of solution. K1 is 7.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3. K2 is 6.3 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 8. K3 is 4.5 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 13. So here I'll start the solution और सबसे पहले start करेंगे with key concept in this case. So at first Na3PO4 reacts with water and result in Na2HPO4 plus NaOH. For the next part we have Na2HPO4 on reaction with water NaH2PO4 plus NaOH, and for the last reaction here NaH2PO4 on reaction with H2O, this will result in H3PO4 plus NaOH. So here value of K in this case, this will be equal to Kw divided by K3. So Kw, we know that this is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14 and K3 की value क्या given है यहाँ पे 4.5 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 13. So on solving this is equal to 0.0222 and for second equation value of K in this case will be Kw divided by K2, that is this will be equal to 1.58 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 7 as K2 in this case is 6.3 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 8. Now value of K1 is 7.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3. So for third equation here value of K will be Kw divided by K1. On solving this will be equal to 1.4 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 12. तो जैसा कि हम देख सकते हैं कि here let us mark this as equation A, B and C. So for B and C, value of K is really small as compared to that in A1. That means OH minus concentration, this will be mainly due to step A here, and in step A, Na3PO4, we know its concentration, this is given as 0.1 mole in the question. Let that amount Na2HPO4 formed is X in this case and NaOH is also X. So Na3PO4 remain, it is 0.1 minus X. Okay. So here for the A part here, value of K, this is 0.0222. This will be equal to X multiplied by X, that is product divided by reactant concentration, which will be 0.1 minus X. When we will solve from here, the value of X, this will be equal to 3.73 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2. And here in this case, OH minus concentration, this is equal to X, which gives the value as 3.73 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2. Now we have to find out the concentration of H3PO4 in this case. So moving to B equation, in this case we have Na2HPO4 plus H2O. So Na2HPO4, this is X initially and here NaOH is X here. We will let that Y amount of NaH2PO4 is formed, that is this is Y. So here it will be Y plus X for NaOH and X minus Y for Na2HPO4. Here Y is really small than X, so X minus Y, this will be approximately equal to X, and Y plus X, this can be also written as X approximately. That means for this case, value of K, this is equal to 1.58 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 7 and this will be equal to product concentration divided by reactant concentration. So that is y multiplied by y plus x divided by x minus y in this case, which is y multiplied by x divided by x in this case. Hence, y this will be equal to 1.58 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 7 molar concentration. Now, moving to C part in this case. For this case, NaH2PO4, this is y, and NaOH, this is y plus x, which is approximately equal to x. So here it is x in this case. After some time, H3PO4, this is formed as Z. So NaOH, this will be Z plus x, and NaH2PO4, this will be y minus Z in this case. Here, Z is really small as compared to y in this case. So y minus Z, this will be approximately equal to y, and Z plus x, this will be approximately equal to x. That means for this part, that is for C, value of K, in this case, this is 1.4 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 12. This will be equal to product concentration, that is Z multiplied by x plus Z divided by reactant, which is y minus Z. This is equal to Z multiplied by x divided by y. So, we know the value of x as well as y. When we will substitute, we will get value of Z as 5.93 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 18 molar. That means, in this case, the next concentration, that is H3PO4, this is concentration equal to Z, which is equal to 5.93 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 18. This is the final answer. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.